Hello everybody, this is Vasvi from Atom Tuition. Now we are going to see the identities, the product sum identities. I have listed a few formula here. Let's take a glance of it and see how it is used in solving problems. The first one is sum to product formula. Here what you do is cos x plus cos y. This is a sum, right? This you're going to represent as a product. So cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y over 2 times cos x minus y over 2. And for sine, it is sine x plus sine y is equal to 2 sine x plus y over 2 cos x minus y over 2. Just remember, for cos formula it is both cos, and for sine it is sine and then the cos. Okay. Now the difference to product formulae. Here you have cos x minus cos y, which is equal to minus 2 sine x plus y over 2 times sine x minus y over 2. And the fourth one is sine x minus sine y, where you have the formula as 2 cos x plus y over 2 times sine x minus y over 2. Okay. You can note that for the cos, sum and the difference formula, you have for sum you will have both as cos, and for difference you will have both as sine. And one is positive and the other one is negative. Note all this. And for sine it is sine and cos, then it is cos and sine. Okay. So let us see how to use these formula in solving the identities. Okay. So I have taken a question like it is given cos 9x minus cos 5x over sine 17x minus sine 3x is equal to minus 2x sine 2x over cos 10x. You need to prove this. Okay. Let us see how to do this. So one look at the question, you can see that this is in the form cos x minus cos y, right? And sine x minus sine y. So I am going to use the difference to product formula here. So let me start with my LHS. Okay. So we know, so we are going to apply this in this problem. Okay. So your x is going to be 9x. This you take it as x and this you take it as y. So I am going to expand it. So that implies minus 2 sine, here it is 9x plus 5x over 2 times sine 9x minus 5x over 2. Divided by, this has to be divided by, next it is sine 17x, right? Take this as x and this as y now. So it would be 2 cos 17x plus 3x over 2, and here it is sine 17 minus, okay, minus 3x over 2. Okay. So this could be written as, this is the formula. So that would be negative 2 sine 9x plus 5x is 14x divided by 2 is 7x, right? So this would be sine 7x times, here it is 9x minus 5x, so that's 4x divided by 2, 2x. So this is sine 2x. Got it? Just solve it, normal addition and division. Divided by, at the denominator it is 2 cos 17x plus 3x is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10x. So I can write it as 10x here times, for sine it is 17 minus 3, which is 14x divided by 2, so 7x. So this becomes sine 7x. Because everything is product, right? It is all multiplication in between. So I can cancel the sine x or say sine 7x on the top as well as sine 7x at the denominator, and the 2 and 2 will also get cancelled, right? So I am left with negative sine 2x over cos 10x, right? So this is equal to your RHS. So you have proved that, okay? Isn't that easy? Just apply the formula and solve it. Now here you have 3 terms. So we just know the sum formula for cos x plus cos y, right? So what I do is I am going to take this as one term. First let me solve this, and this term I'll keep it as it is, okay? So I start with my left hand side. We all know the formula now. By now you should be thorough with what is cos x plus cos y, right? So cos x plus cos y is in the question. Here it should be 3x, okay? Because I need cot 3x on my right hand side, right? So let me put this 3x, both the 3x to my right extreme. So I would rewrite this question as, it doesn't make any difference. The value is not changed. I just put the cos 2x to the front, okay? Cos 2x to the front, and I put them into a bracket plus cos 3x, because finally we need cot 3x. So I'm just making the cos 3x out, okay? And divided by, here too I do the same thing. I put the sin 3x out. So here it would be sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x, okay? Now I'm going to put the formula here, applying the formula cos x. I take this as x and this as y, okay? And I'm going to use cos x plus cos y formula. So I will be left with 2 times cos 4x plus 2x over 2, and since it is cos, it is again cos only. This is 4x minus 2x, and remember you have this cos 3x, okay? Don't forget to write that. It is cos 3x will remain here. The whole thing divided by, again at the bottom I am using the sine formula. I take this as sin x sin y, okay? So as per the sine formula, it is 2 times sine sum to product formula, right? So it is sine over 2. Here again it is cos 4x minus 2x over 2, right? And outside you have a sine 3x. So now when you solve this, what do you get? Your cos 4x plus 2x is 6x divided by 2 is 3x. So I get 2 cos 3x. Here it is cos 4 minus 2x is 2x divided by 2, so that's cos x, okay? Plus you have this cos 3x left out, whole divided by, at the bottom it is 2 sine 3x and cos x, right? Plus you have sine 3x too, okay? Now I'm going to take the common term out from the numerator. So I take the cos 3x out. So I will be left with 2 cos x plus 1, right? Yeah, this is done. Divided by sine 3x is common here. So you will be left with 2 cos x plus 1 again. So this would get cancelled. 2 cos x plus 1 would get cancelled. And you are left out with cos 3x divided by sin 3x, which is nothing but cot 3x, which is equal to your RHS. So it is proved. Thank you.